DJI's at it again. And this time, the Neo 2 is making serious waves before it's even official. From leaked specs to rumored features, the next-gen drone could be DJI's most game-changing release yet. In this video, we're breaking down everything we know so far about the DJI Neo 2, including what to expect and when you might get your hands on it. Let's dive in. Last year, DJI launched the Neo, their smallest and most budget-friendly drone yet. It was a smart move, super small, light to carry, and it could shoot in 4K. On paper, it sounded amazing. But what about in real-world use? Not so much. Many users felt it was more like a toy than a serious drone. The video quality didn't quite impress, and the way it flew didn't meet the expectations many had. Now, we're hearing some early leaks and rumors about the DJI Neo 2, and it looks like DJI is planning some big improvements. One of the main complaints about the first Neo was how loud it was. Oddly enough, it made more noise than some of DJI's larger drones like the Flip or even a Mini 4 Pro. That's not great if you're flying in quiet places or trying to be low-key. The Neo 2 might fix that with a whole new design. There's talk of a foldable body, kind of like the Flip, which could make it quieter and easier to carry around. But the most exciting upgrade could be the camera. The original Neo used a small half-inch sensor and only did 4K at 30 frames per second, which was fine, but nothing special. The Neo 2, though, might come with a much larger one by 1.3-inch sensor and shoot 4K at up to 100 frames per second. That means smoother, sharper footage. Plus, the field of view might go from 117 degrees to a wide 155 degrees, letting you capture even more of the scenery in every shot. If you're into photography, there's something exciting in store. The Neo 2 might come with 48 megapixel photo support, a big step up from the original. That means you could get super detailed shots, which is great for solo travelers or content creators who don't want to carry bulky gear, but still want professional-looking photos. Now, let's talk about how smooth your footage will look. The first Neo only had a simple one-axis gimbal and relied a lot on electronic image stabilization. It worked okay, but if you flew quickly or in tight spots, things could get a bit shaky. For the Neo 2, we're expecting improved physical stabilization and possibly even better object tracking. Maybe even sensors to help it avoid obstacles. That would make it a lot easier to fly safely in crowded areas or when following a subject. Battery life also seems to be getting better. The original Neo had a pretty short flight time, but rumors suggest the Neo 2 could last up to 24 minutes in the air. That's a solid improvement for such a small drone. As for the release date, nothing is official yet, but tipsters like Jasper Ellens say we might see it by the end of the year. If all these upgrades turn out to be true, the Neo 2 could be the perfect choice for everyday flyers or even pros looking for a powerful, lightweight backup drone. What's your take? Do you think the Neo 2 can beat the Flip, or is it just a small upgrade? Let me know in the comments. And if this breakdown helped, hit like and subscribe for more updates.